The crackle of a radio, a pilot's voice cutting through the static. It's a sound synonymous with aviation. But in a world of diverse languages and accents, how do pilots and air traffic controllers ensure crystal clear communication? The answer lies in a remarkable tool, the NATO phonetic alphabet, a linguistic bridge connecting aviators worldwide. This seemingly simple set of words, assigned to each letter of the alphabet, plays a crucial role in maintaining order and safety in the skies. Imagine a scenario where a pilot, battling turbulence, needs to relay critical information about their aircraft's position. A simple misunderstanding, a mispronounced letter or number, could have disastrous consequences. This is where the phonetic alphabet comes into play, eliminating ambiguity and ensuring that every word is understood, regardless of accent, language barrier or background noise. Each word in the alphabet is carefully chosen for its distinct sound and ease of pronunciation, minimizing the risk of confusion. From bustling international airports to remote airstrips, the NATO phonetic alphabet is the invisible thread that binds aviation communication. It's a testament to the power of standardization in a complex and potentially unforgiving environment. By providing a common language for pilots and controllers, the phonetic alphabet helps to create a safer, more efficient airspace for everyone. Without it, the skies would be a much more chaotic place, rife with misunderstandings and potential disasters. The next time you hear that distinctive rhythm of Alpha, Bravo, Charlie crackling over the radio, remember that you're listening to the language of safety, a vital tool that keeps the world's airways flowing smoothly.
The need for a standardized phonetic alphabet became glaringly apparent in the early days of aviation. As air travel grew, so did the potential for miscommunication. Different languages and regional dialects often led to confusion, particularly when transmitting letters over noisy radio channels. The result was a dangerous cocktail of misunderstandings, near misses, and, tragically, accidents. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, international organizations began exploring solutions. Early attempts at standardization, however, were met with limited success. Different countries clung to their own phonetic systems, leading to further confusion. It wasn't until after World War II, with the formation of the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, that a truly global effort to unify aviation communication gained momentum. The ICAO, in collaboration with other international bodies, embarked on a rigorous research and testing process. The goal was to develop a phonetic alphabet that was clear, concise, and easily understood by speakers of all languages. The result was the adoption of the International Radio Telephony Spelling Alphabet, more commonly known as the NATO Phonetic Alphabet, in 1956. This new alphabet, with its carefully selected words like Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie, was designed to overcome the limitations of earlier systems. Words were chosen for their distinct phonetic qualities and their resistance to distortion over radio waves. The widespread adoption of the NATO phonetic alphabet marked a turning point in aviation safety, paving the way for clearer, more reliable communication in the skies.
To truly appreciate the importance of the NATO phonetic alphabet, one must understand the critical nature of clear communication in aviation. Every flight, from a short hop to a transcontinental journey, relies on a constant flow of information between pilots and air traffic control.
This information can range from routine position reports to critical instructions during emergencies. Consider a scenario where a pilot needs to communicate their aircraft's call sign, which includes a combination of letters and numbers. In a noisy cockpit, with the roar of engines and the hiss of static, a call sign like November 5 Echo Romeo could easily be misconstrued if spoken normally.
However, when transmitted using the phonetic alphabet as November 5 Echo Romeo, the clarity is undeniable. This level of precision is not limited to call signs. The phonetic alphabet is used to communicate a wide range of information, including aircraft type, altitude, heading, and even weather conditions. For instance, a pilot reporting severe turbulence might say, "Experiencing severe turbulence at Tango Romeo Uniform Lula Echo Romeo," ensuring that the message is received loud and clear.
By providing a standardized system for spelling out letters and numbers, the phonetic alphabet significantly reduces the risk of errors, especially in situations where even a minor misunderstanding could have dire consequences. It's this unwavering commitment to clarity that makes the NATO phonetic alphabet an indispensable tool for maintaining aviation safety worldwide.
The NATO phonetic alphabet's impact extends far beyond simply spelling out letters and numbers. It has become an integral part of aviation procedures, woven into the fabric of everyday operations. From pre-flight checks to taxiing, takeoff, cruising altitude, approach and landing, the phonetic alphabet ensures clarity at every stage of a flight. Consider a pilot requesting permission to take off. Instead of simply saying, "Ready for takeoff," they would use the phonetic alphabet to clearly communicate their call sign and intentions. Tower, this is Alpha Bravo Charlie 123, requesting takeoff. This level of precision eliminates any ambiguity and ensures that everyone involved is on the same page. During flight, pilots use the phonetic alphabet to provide regular position reports to air traffic control. These reports, often delivered in a rapid-fire sequence of letters and numbers, relay critical information about the aircraft's location, altitude and heading. The phonetic alphabet ensures that this information is conveyed accurately, allowing controllers to track aircraft and maintain safe separation between them. Even in emergency situations, the phonetic alphabet proves its worth. A pilot experiencing an engine failure, for example, would use the alphabet to declare an emergency and communicate their situation to air traffic control, buying precious time and ensuring a swift and coordinated response. In the high-stakes world of aviation, where every second counts, the phonetic alphabet is a lifeline, a beacon of clarity in moments of crisis.
While the NATO phonetic alphabet has significantly enhanced aviation safety, it's not foolproof. Human error, coupled with the inherent challenges of radio communication, can still lead to misunderstandings. These situations, though rare, underscore the importance of ongoing training and vigilance in maintaining clear communication. One common challenge arises from letters that sound similar, such as D, Delta, and B, Bravo, or M, Mike, and N, November. A slight mispronunciation, background noise, or even a momentary lapse in concentration can lead to confusion. For instance, misinterpreting a runway designation like 24 left as 24 right could have disastrous consequences. The fast-paced nature of aviation communication can also contribute to errors. Pilots and controllers often exchange information in a rapid shorthand manner, leaving little room for ambiguity. In such situations, even a momentary hesitation or a slightly garbled transmission can lead to confusion. It's a testament to the skill and professionalism of aviators that such misunderstandings are relatively rare. To mitigate these risks, pilots and air traffic controllers undergo rigorous training, including regular simulations that mimic real-world scenarios. These exercises emphasize the importance of clear pronunciation, active listening, and the ability to ask for clarification when needed. The goal is to ingrain the phonetic alphabet into their subconscious, making it second nature in the heat of the moment.
While deeply ingrained in the world of aviation, the NATO phonetic alphabet's reach extends far beyond the cockpit and control tower. Its clarity and universality have led to its adoption in a wide range of fields, demonstrating its effectiveness as a communication tool in diverse and demanding environments. Military organizations around the world rely on the phonetic alphabet for clear communication, particularly in situations where precision is paramount. From coordinating troop movements to relaying sensitive information, the alphabet helps to minimize misunderstandings and ensure that orders are carried out accurately. Emergency services, too, have embraced the phonetic alphabet's ability to cut through chaos. Police, firefighters and paramedics use it to communicate clearly in high-stress situations, ensuring that vital information is relayed accurately and efficiently. Whether it's coordinating a response to a major incident or simply relaying an address, the alphabet helps to maintain order and minimize errors. Beyond these critical applications, the NATO phonetic alphabet has even found its way into popular culture. Movies, TV shows and video games often use it to add a touch of authenticity to scenes involving aviation, military operations, or emergency response. Its distinctive rhythm and cadence have become instantly recognizable, a testament to its pervasiveness in the global consciousness. For those captivated by the world of aviation, learning the NATO phonetic alphabet is often one of the first steps taken. It's a gateway into a domain filled with fascinating technology, skilled professionals, and the thrill of flight. Fortunately, mastering this alphabet is relatively straightforward, requiring only a bit of memorization and practice. Numerous online resources, including interactive quizzes and audio recordings, are readily available to aid in learning. Many flight schools and aviation organizations also offer courses and workshops dedicated to aviation communication, providing a more structured approach to mastering this essential skill. Beyond simply memorizing the words, the key to effective use lies in practice and repetition. Find opportunities to incorporate the phonetic alphabet into everyday conversations, whether it's spelling out a name over the phone or clarifying an address. The more you use it, the more natural it will become. Learning the NATO phonetic alphabet is not just about acquiring a new skill, it's about gaining a deeper appreciation for the complexities of aviation and the crucial role that clear communication plays in keeping the skies safe. It's a small step that can open up a world of possibilities, whether you dream of becoming a pilot, working in air traffic control, or simply expanding your knowledge of this fascinating field.
The NATO phonetic alphabet, while a testament to effective standardization, is not frozen in time. As technology advances and the aviation landscape evolves, so too might this vital communication tool undergo refinements to maintain its effectiveness in the face of new challenges. One area of potential development lies in adapting to the increasing automation of air traffic control systems. While human controllers will remain essential for the foreseeable future, automated systems are playing a larger role in managing airspace. The phonetic alphabet might need to evolve to ensure seamless interaction between human operators and their digital counterparts. Another consideration is the growing use of data links and other digital communication technologies in aviation. While radio communication remains vital, these newer technologies offer the potential for even greater clarity and efficiency in transmitting information. The phonetic alphabet, in some form, will likely remain relevant, serving as a backup system and a bridge between legacy and emerging technologies. The enduring legacy of the NATO phonetic alphabet lies in its simplicity, clarity, and adaptability. It has served as a cornerstone of aviation safety for decades, fostering clear communication in a complex and demanding environment. As aviation continues to evolve, so too will this vital tool, ensuring that the skies remain a safe and efficient realm for generations to come.